Alright, so we're back at the track for the first time in 2025. It's been a long winter, but this is round 1, 25 National Championship. This is the Springspeed Nationals. So we're ready, we're all dressed, bike's ready to go, fueled up, aired up, all that good stuff, ready for a bit of testing. It's not just me today, so we've got Darcy Cordelle, so Brett's daughter. She's old enough to race this year, so she is. Yeah, so Darcy's here with her bike for the first meeting of the year. So we come last weekend, she had a bit of a go around the pits. So having a bit more of a go this morning, then we'll see if she can get on track today. Stop. There you go.
Hey, that was brilliant, wasn't it? You did beat me. Should we turn around and go over there then?
Go back the other way?
Yeah, should we turn around?
See, no one's even looking at you.
Come on, let's turn around and we'll ride over there, you and
No,
me.
you're just another race vehicle now.
Yeah, they're jealous. Right, on this side,
Right,
this time,
Darcy, if you could run Uncle Scott over for me, that would be really great.
Yeah, I'll give you £1 for that. So we're going to go straight past Scotty, aren't we? Yeah? Ready, darling? Go.
Ready? Right, go forward then. Push yourself forward. Right, steady. Not long. Right, way down, way down, way down, way down. Right, go for the second one. Then you wait for the green light. Figure out how you want to go, okay? Alright? One time, go. Slow as you want, right? Go on then. That got a damp on it. Yeah. It needs to tighten up a bit. You may have done as well. You may have done as well.
Come on. Right, Darcy's second go. I was at the top end for the first one.
Right now. Same again we did earlier, right? Go forward, top bolt one, go forward the second one, then wait for the green light when you go. Alright? Hold yours down. Go forward then. Right, get your foot on the peg so it's ready. There we go. A bit more forward. Oh, come back a bit. Bit more. Right, there you go. Get your foot ready. And wait for the green light, darling. She's got time.
Well done. I feel better. Is that easier? You're doing so good. Huh? Yeah, it did. It did. 24 seconds, I think it was. Yeah, it came up. Quicker reaction time. Alright, so that's a wrap for testing of round 1 of the 25 championship. So we managed 2 runs today. We went a 9.65 and a 9.58. So it was a 1:38.64 on the first pass, and then it's a 1:31 on the second. So much more like it should be. We were down a couple of tenths and a bit of mile an hour, putting it down just to quite a strong headwind that we had all day. So the weather's supposed to be totally different for qualifying tomorrow anyway. Happy with that. We do think we've got a little bit of an issue maybe with the gearbox. On both passes today it's jumped out of gear in the burnout box. So it's just something we're going to have to monitor for this event, have a bit of a work around and see what we can do really. So Darcy did really well today as well. So Brett's daughter, she's my goddaughter as well. So we brought her to the track last weekend. It was just a run what he brung. She didn't get down track, but she just spent all day riding around in the pits, getting confident on the bike and getting a feel for being on a motorbike. And she was doing really well. She did run out of time before she got on track. So she came today, again, a bit of a ride around in the pits this morning. There was getting some videos of that as well. And then at the end of the day, she managed to get 2 runs in down track. So well happy with that. She did amazing. And she's now well excited for qualifying tomorrow. So we'll see what happens tomorrow. We've got 3 scheduled qualifiers. First one is at 10 or 10:30, something like that. And it's supposed to be quite nice weather. So see you in the morning.